Hello everyone. So today I just stumbled upon this very beautiful spot in Bern and I want to share it with you guys. So let's check it out. Here's an overview of the lake and the town. I even heard that there are some bears here, so let's go and find out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my channel below for more type of content like this, and please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.